First, introduction. Heat treatment is controlled warming and cooling of metal to modify their physical and mechanical properties without changing the item shape. Heat treatment in some cases done accidentally due to fabricating from other warm and cool of metal, such as welding or forming. Heat treatment is regularly related is expanding the quality of fabric, but it can moreover be utilized to change curtain maneuverability targets such as progress machining, make stress stability, establish ductility after the cold working operation. Hence, it may be especially empowering. Fabricated handle cannot. It offer as an assistant other fabricating prepare but can moreover make strike item escalating by expanding quality and other alluring characteristics.
Thank you, Aisha. So I will continue this presentation. Type of heat treatment process. Following the different type of heat treatment process. First, we got annealing. Second, normalizing. Number 3, hardening. Number 4, tempering. Number 5, nitriding. Number 6, sineading. Number 7, quenching. And the last is stress relieving. So, heat treatment process require the following 3 main steps. First step is heating the material to a specific temperature in the range of up to 2400 and 1316 Celsius. The second is soaking or maintaining the specific temperature for a certain amount of time. And lastly, number 3, cooling at a suitable rate following prescribed method. The material can be cooling rapidly, slowly, or can be quenching using water and so on.
Thank you, Syafierul Akiemie. I will continue this presentation. What is furnace used for? Heat treatment can provide numerous benefits, including in heat hardness, increased temperature resistance, gather ductility, and improve material strength. Heat treatment are a critical aspect of metal fabrication process, as they allow the material to gain desirable physical and mechanical properties without altering the shape of the product. Furnaces are devices or gadgets that produce warmth in a controlled way through the combustion of a fuel source. The warm variability is at the point utilized to warm space such as room, building, or other structures. Other heaters may be utilized in commercial and mechanical settings for the handling of material. In this guide, the different types of furnace will be explored, summarized under these two broad classifications. Furnace for heating homes and buildings, and another one is industrial furnace for metal and materials. How does the furnace work? We have two ways. One is gas heaters and two is electric furnace. In gas heaters, the most common kind here is Central Ohio and much of the northern portion of the nation. The gas valve is open to supply fuel for the burners. On the inverse conclusion of the burners could be a fire sensor, which may be a gadget that planning to screen the correct working of the burners. Number 2 is electric furnace. For an electric furnace, instead of a pilot light, an electrical ignition begins the heating process. In place of gas power burners, the ignition activates heating element that contain conductive coils. As current passes through the coils, they begin heating the air for the blowers to handle. The more heat the thermostat calls for, the more heating elements turn on. This is the heat treatment equipment for glove box. For business that work with ideal glasses or dangerous materials, glove boxes are basic. They permit representatives to securely work with touchy and dangerous material without compromising either the fabric or their security. Where glove boxes are an successful arrangement to dealing with dormant and perilous material, they are not fail-safe. To guarantee there are no spills within the glove box, it's basic to combine a glove box with an oxygen screen. The inside of the glove box is filled with an insert gas, usually nitrogen, although it can be argon or helium if the material used in the box react with nitrogen. Although the glove box environment is intended to be closed, a small amount of oxygen can be permitted through a glove box. Therefore, the glove box needs to be cleaned every night. This is about the glove box function. Number one, closed circle system. It forms a closed circle system by a vacuum glove box and an air purification system. And the air purification system will provide an air circle power. Interface. Equipped with a simple colorful touch screen in Chinese, English, Russian interface. Control system. Pressure control system. Air purification system, recovery system, in-box state alarm system, box internal condition and pressure parameter set, automatic air purification system parameter, such system history record, detect the work condition of the air purification system, alarm system for operating errors and warning, reduction and reproduction. The purification system uses purification materials that can be reproduced and can be reduced with automatic system control. To achieve reduction and reproduction, it should be connected to power and supply with hydrogen 5 to 10% with an inactivate gas mixture. Avoid misoperation. Use PLC program control system to detect environment and machine working condition, and the system will show what with operation error and insufficient condition alarm if there is a problem to ensure safely and conveniently.
Thank you to Danish. Today I will continue. Heat treatment equipment, creep tester. Creep tester machine is using to measure the charged material after it stresses. For example, engineer use this machine to determine the stability and behavior of the material when placed through normal stresses. They determine how much tension, load and object can handle under pressure. So engineer and research can determine which material to use. Creep tester function. Creep tester has three different applications in the industry. First, application displacement. Limited the size must accurate and there must be little error of tendency to charge. This is most commonly found the turbine rotor in jet engine. Number two, limited application raptor. In this application, break cannot occur to the material but can be multi-dimensional as the material creep through. High pressure tube are an example of them. Number three, limited application pressure reaction. The tent internally become the relaxer and the tension will continue to relax as time passes, such as cable, wire and bolt.
So, for the conclusion for this presentation is the point of the heat treatment of metal are analogous into index to require mechanical properties in terms of ductility, hardness, and steadiness or quality by justifying the microstructure. These properties have a near relationship with material microstructure. I mean, treatment prepare, the stage change must be controlled well, since the different cooling rate result totally different stage. Distinctive paths result within the diverse ductility, hardness, and durability are quality value. Everything is in a change order. By the assistance of this explore, we see how alloying components and cooling rate influence the microstructure and how the microstructure of a example influence the hardness value. When the rate of composition of the alloying element of cooling rate increment, the hardness move over increment. As a result, we learning that in case we are able to control the structure.
This is our appendix. First picture is glove box. Second is creep tester. Um,
So thank you very much for paying attention for this group. Our group is group 3, and thank you for Danish, my members group, and Siti Aisyiah, and also uh, thank you. That's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.